Welcome to this tutorial on running Llama.cpp on an AMD GPU using ROCm. If you're new to AI or just starting out with your own projects, you've probably heard of Llama.cpp, the popular model for text-to-image synthesis. But did you know that you can run it on your own AMD GPU? In this video, we'll cover the basics of ROCm and walk you through setting up a development environment and running Llama.cpp on your own device. So what exactly is Llama.cpp? Llama.cpp is a popular model for text-to-image synthesis. It's based on the DALL-E architecture and has been widely used in AI research and development. One of its key features is that you can use Llama.cpp to generate images from text prompts, making it a valuable tool for creative professionals. Now that we've covered Llama.cpp, let's talk about ROCm. ROCm is an open-source platform for high-performance computing on AMD GPUs. It provides a range of key features and supports multiple programming languages. So how do you get started with running Llama.cpp on your AMD GPU? First, you'll need to install ROCm on your system. Then, set up a Python environment with PyTorch and ROCm support. Once you've set up your development environment, it's time to run Llama.cpp on your AMD GPU. You can do this by compiling the code using the ROCm compiler or by loading and running the model using the ROCm Python API. And that's it. You now have a basic understanding of how to run Llama.cpp on your AMD GPU using ROCm. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to join the #AMDevs community to connect with other developers and stay up to date on the latest advancements. Thanks for watching our tutorial on running Llama.cpp on an AMD GPU using ROCm. If you have any questions or feedback, please join the #AMDevs community and connect with other developers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on AI computing and GPU development.